Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we have been seeing of course a very good recovery coming in here on the chart. It looks to be that we are forming some kind of a W structure over here, and as well guys, if we're going to go into the 4 hourly time frame, we are heading towards our most important resistance target over here of the descending broadening wedge here. As well, if we're going to go into the 1 hourly time frame, it looks to be that we're trading above the EMA ribbon. The MACD is giving us some bullish signals, but we are still trading at a critical level of resistance. As well, we will be talking about the Bitcoin shorts, of course, going out of the market in a very rapid pace here. As well, we will be talking a little bit here about the Ethereum trade I took yesterday here on the $1,724. So if this sounds interesting for you guys, make sure to already smash up these likes here, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so right now here, because of course if you're subscribed to the channel, you're not going to miss out on these very time related videos. So to start the video off, guys, I do want to be starting off the video with this Ethereum trade that I took yesterday, because I do think it's very important to know here. So yesterday I made a video and I made some Twitter calls, as you can see over here, that my orders are getting filled here on the $1,720, and I have been warning you guys several times here on my Twitter account. So if you want to be staying up to date about this one as well here, because we have been saying it several times here on the channel, we have been saying it several times here as well, the bounce coming in over there, of course the opportunity here of the falling wedge, of course trading on support, it was looking like a very good opportunity. So make sure to follow me as well at Rover CRC here on Twitter, and then you of course can be as well staying up to date of these quick updates if we are of course not uploading a video. But since then, guys, I opened my trade over there, and right now approximately 80% in profit. Maybe it decreased a little bit here, but I have a 10x. I'm currently using a 10x here, and this is right now still, yeah, it's approximately 83% towards the upside. So yeah, make sure to stick to the end of the video, because we're right now seeing as well some opportunities for the Bitcoin trade that we are willing to take here anytime soon here. So guys, first of all, of course, a beautiful recovery getting created here on the daily candles. This looks to be clearly a double bottom with this one higher low in terms of the wicks here. What can be, of course, signifying that we can be seeing maybe some kind of a W recovery. Since as well the options are right now expired, we can be looking pretty bright towards the next days here, because since the options are right now expired, we don't have to be worrying about the options, of course, pushing the Bitcoin price lower, because we're approximately $6 billion in options getting open. So yeah, right now, of course, because we're heading towards this 34.7k, it will be the massive level of resistance. It's as well weekly resistance, and you can see in the past it has been providing us several times very strong support. So yeah, in order for Bitcoin to of course get bullish once again on the daily candles, you do want to be seeing this 34.7k level getting broken here with a daily candle close there. So this will be of course first of all a thing that I will be taking my eyes out on, and I will be keeping you guys up to date once we're seeing of course a potential trade setup on the daily candle. So as well, right now, what a thing that we are right now seeing here, what I do believe that's going to break towards the upside, because usually descending broadening wedges are moving towards the upside in the end of the day. Maybe not right away here, but at the end of the day, they will be always moving up towards the upside. Right now, seeing already a lot of significance in this pattern coming in here, and since we are right now as well heading towards our resistance target here on the top side around the 34k, I do think that we can either find some massive resistance on this level, or we can of course break through it. And if we're going to break through it, guys, this will be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. But right now as well, we're trading against some more indicators in terms of moving average. You can see over here right now trading against the moving average of the EMA ribbon, and of course this can be still holding back the price. As you can see, several times it have been already suppressing the price, and you can see always once we're touching these levels, we used to get of course this rejection. But yeah, once you're breaking above it once again, you can see that we are of course seeing very beautiful price action towards the upside getting started here. So if I disable the MACD real quickly as well, if I disable the EMA ribbon and get in towards the MACD here in front of my screen, you can see as well that we are currently having a bullish crossover on the 4 hourly MACD here as well, coming together, that we have been forming a higher low here than the previous low. Well, we have been setting a lower low, and it's of course signifying that we're seeing a bullish divergence coming created in the MACD. So together with higher structure getting utilized, as well with higher low structure getting utilized, as well with the bullish crossover that we're right now seeing here, I do see this as a very good opportunity to accumulate of course my Bitcoin. But of course, if you really want to be taking this very safe here, I should highly suggest first waiting of this breakthrough of this resistance line. And of course, if we are breaking through of this resistance line around the 33.8k here, you do want to be seeing the retest coming in here in order to open your trade. And it can be of course an approximately trade of another 20% towards the upside. Well, it can be pushing up the price towards 40.8k here. So yeah, the opportunities are extremely high here. I am already have been accumulating a Bitcoin position of course yesterday on the 30k as well, guys. You know it, I have been of course opening this Ethereum trade where I have been warning you guys for. I will be sticking this trade open with my stop loss and profit, because I'm personally willing to drive these trades here towards new optimize, and I can't literally wait for it. So yeah, looking forward towards that one already, and I do think the opportunities are running pretty high right now. So yeah, that's pretty exciting, right? So yeah, let me start off right now first of all with the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart as well here. So what are we seeing on the 1 hourly chart? Currently we are seeing, of course, a resistance line on the top side where we're right now trading on getting created. So previous support, once retesting it, you are retesting it as a resistance, and this looks clearly like a level that we can be finding very strong resistance at. But of course, if we're going to break through of this level on the 1 hourly candles, what can be most certainly happening, because we have been already knocking on this door several hours, and of course the more times you're going to knock on a certain door, the more likely it will be that you're going to as well break this door. So yeah, I do expect that we're going to see, of course, this level getting broken, and as soon as we're breaking through this level, I don't see massive resistance unless of the 34.2k coming in for Bitcoin. So yeah, we can be increasing very quickly in valuation. And as well, if we're going to look at some indicators right now on the 1 hourly time frame, you can see, of course, the EMA ribbon here on the 1 hourly time frame looks extremely good here, because we're already trading above the EMA ribbon on the 1 hourly time frame. And if we're already going to see a minor decreasement in price, yeah, we can be retesting this EMA ribbon as potential support. So yeah, it looks pretty good. We have been clearing the EMA ribbon on the 1 hourly candles, and of course, as soon as you're clearing resistance, you can be retesting it as support, of course. So yeah, that looks pretty exciting. And as well, coming together with the MACD, guys, MACD as well giving us very bullish signals right now. First of all, you can see higher low getting created here, higher high getting created as well, looking to be, of course, extremely bullish, and we look to be, of course, in this bullish by spirit. But of course, we are right now cooling off here, and right now, if we can't set another higher high, we can be maybe potentially see a minor trend reversal on the 1 hour or some sideways action over here. So yeah, as main scenario, I should be really looking, in order to accumulate a position, I should be highly suggesting to look, of course, at this resistance line getting broken. If we're going to break it, of course, we're going to go higher. If we're not going to break it, we're potentially going to go to lower levels. And of course, if we're going back towards the 30k once again, or 31k as well, at least I personally will be accumulating around these levels, and we can be maybe potentially start an uptrend here on the 1 hour if we're going to see a retracement towards these levels, and then of course break through it. I mean, a decreasement from here on is not necessarily bad here, and of course I will be reevaluating it. And like I said before, yeah, make sure to follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC if you don't want to be missing out on these updates while I'm not live, or well, I'm not uploading a video on the channel, so you're not going to miss out on this one. So as well, a thing I want to be saying here, guys, it looks to be okay, the options have been expiring last Friday, and right now as well, if we're looking to the Bitcoin shorts, they have been exiting the market. The Bitcoin shorts have been going out of the market, giving us a signal. There are two things how you can be approaching this. First of all, the first way how you can be approaching this is, okay, shorts are going out of the market. People don't think the market will be driving lower, so this is a bullish sign. But as well, of course, the shorts are going lower. I would rather as well like to see the shorts sitting high, because if the shorts sitting high, we can be increasing very quickly in valuation, because we can be creating a short squeeze. So yeah, there are two ways how you can be approaching this, but I personally don't think this is a bad thing here. Shorts going out of the market, options have been expiring. I do think that the month, at least the coming 2 weeks, can be looking extremely bright here. So that is also these main reasons that I have been accumulating my position, and I wouldn't be surprised that Bitcoin maybe can be reaching back towards the 40k here. So yeah, and if we're setting out these levels of 40k, we will be discussing by then what we have to be doing in order to, of course, break the 40k level and of course move to the next levels. But that's of course a thing for later. Right now we will be just discussing the immediate short term here. So guys, this was already it for the quick update here on the channel. Let me know if you like these quick updates, and as well, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notifications so you're not going to miss out on any time related videos. So yeah, this was it already for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will check you guys in the next one. Goodbye.